ever heard of an insurance policy that rewards you for being a safe driver? We're talking real discounts, up to 30% off your premiums at renewal. That's the magic of Farmer Signal. If you want to know if Farmer Signal is right for you, then stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know. Find out if this app can steer you towards major savings or if it's all just smoke and mirrors. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to head over to FreeAdvice.com to easily compare quotes using our free quote tool and find the best auto insurance options tailored to your needs. Let's get rolling. Okay, before we dive into the specifics of Farmer Signal, let's take a quick pit stop and talk about farmers insurance as a whole. Understanding their financial strength can help you decide if they're a good fit in the first place. Farmers Insurance boasts a solid A rating from AM Best, which indicates excellent financial stability. The Better Business Bureau also gives them an A+ rating, suggesting they handle customer complaints well. Plus, the National Association of Insurance Commissioners Complaint Index shows Farmers has a lower than average complaint rate compared to other insurers. But ratings aren't everything. We also looked at customer experience. Here, things get a bit mixed. J.D. Power gives Farmers a 4 out of 5 for claim satisfaction, meaning most customers are happy with how their claims are handled. However, their shopping experience score is a 3 out of 5, which suggests the process might not be the smoothest. What does all this mean? Farmers seems financially secure and handles claims well, but the shopping experience requires more patience. And this is just one option. So go over to FreeAdvice.com today and compare quotes from multiple insurance companies to find the one that best fits your needs and budget. Once you're done comparing, there's no need to rush your decision. One, you'll want to explore the Farmers Signal program to ensure you have all the information to make the best choice that suits your needs. Paying off your car insurance bills is no fun, especially when you're a safe driver paying more to cover other people's mistakes. That's where usage-based insurance programs come in. The Farmer Signal program tracks your driving habits to reward you for being safe behind the wheel. Here's the deal. Sign up to get an initial 5% discount for just participating. Then, your score with Farmer Signal can lead to savings of 30% off your premium at renewal. Sounds pretty good, but there's a catch. Farmer Signal monitors things like speeding and phone usage while driving. If your score reflects risky behavior, your discount could shrink or your rates might actually go up. But don't worry, there are many insurance companies out there. Make a beeline to FreeAdvice.com, and there you'll find a tool that lets you compare quotes from multiple providers in a matter of seconds. Get started with just your zip code and find the company with the lowest rates possible. With those quotes in hand, be sure to consider the potential savings from Farmer Signal as well. And to make a more informed decision, let's now explore how their app works. Here's the breakdown of how the Farmer Signal app works. First, you'll need to talk to a farmer's agent or customer service rep to sign up for the program. They'll send you a text with a link to download the app. The good news? Monitoring starts as soon as you take your first trip after downloading. Even better, your discount gets calculated after just 10 drives. That means you could see savings pretty quickly. Once enrolled, you'll earn a 5% discount on your auto insurance policy. The benefits increase as you improve your driving or add members to your policy. But to qualify, you need to do well in categories that Signal monitors, such as distracted driving, time of day, hard braking, speeding, and mileage. If you want to explore a wide range of coverage without monitoring, then visit FreeAdvice.com today. Use our user-friendly free quote tool, which helps you easily compare quotes from top insurance providers. You'll be surprised at how much you can save. At FreeAdvice.com, you'll definitely benefit by shopping around and comparing quotes. Savings are guaranteed. And it's clear Farmer Signal has some great perks to check out. Let's go into a little more detail of how this program works and how it can benefit you. By using Farmer Signal, you can benefit from personalized feedback and tips to improve your driving skills, potential discounts on your auto insurance premiums based on your driving performance, and insights into your driving behavior and habits, allowing you to become a safer driver. Here are more Farmer Signal app details. Signal tracks your location while the app is active and running in the background, primarily to monitor your driving behavior. Farmers will handle your data responsibly and in accordance with its privacy policy. Your data is used to generate your driving score, provide feedback, and determine eligibility for potential discounts. If the Signal app isn't working, it may be from common issues, including weak or intermittent connectivity, app permissions, lack of GPS, or app bugs. Still not sure about telematics? Then check out FreeAdvice.com today. Use our free quote tool and compare quotes from various insurance companies. Get quotes, compare rates, and find the right coverage for your drive. And while you explore your options, don't overlook the benefits that Farmers Insurance can offer. There are some great advantages to using their Signal app, so let's highlight a few of them. Beyond the discounts, Farmers Signal benefits include actually helping you become a safer driver. Studies show programs like this can make people more mindful behind the wheel, which can lead to fewer accidents. That, in turn, keeps your rates low. Plus, if you score 80% and above, you get entered into drawings for sweet prizes like gift cards. But let's be real, there are always two sides to the coin. Here's the not-so-great part. Since the app uses your phone's GPS and sensors, it tracks your location, speed, and braking habits. This might raise privacy concerns. Plus, risky driving can lead to higher rates at renewal. So if you can't resist the urge to text and drive or have a lead foot, Signal might not be for you. So explore your options now by making a beeline to FreeAdvice.com. Compare quotes from different insurers using our free quote generator. You can see if there's another option out there that might be a better match. And before you make the final decision, let's talk some hard numbers. We compared minimum coverage rates from Farmers to a few other providers and found that there can be a significant price difference. On the cheaper end, USAA and Geico come in at just $22 and $30 a month for minimum coverage. That's a steal. Farmers car insurance lands right in the middle at $53 a month. On the other end of the spectrum, Liberty Mutual and Allstate hit the brakes a bit harder at $67 and $61 monthly. That's double Geico's rate. If you chose Liberty Mutual at $67 a month, you'd be shelling out $804 annually. But if you went with Farmers, you'd pay $636 a year. That means choosing Farmers over Liberty Mutual could put $160 back in your wallet. But don't just look at these rates to make a decision right now. Visit FreeAdvice.com and take advantage of our free search tool. Just enter your zip code to discover the best options at the lowest rates tailored to your exact needs. Okay, so we talked about minimum coverage rates, but what if you need more protection? Let's look at full coverage options. Here, the price difference can be even more dramatic. On the budget-friendly side for full coverage car insurance, USAA blows away the competition at $59 a month, followed by Geico at $80. On the other end, Liberty Mutual and Allstate come in at a whopping $174 and $160. But how does Farmers full coverage stack up? They land right in the middle at $139 a month. So is Farmers the sweet spot? That depends. Let's say you decide to go all in with Liberty Mutual at $174 a month. Over a year, that's a hefty $2,088. If you opted for Farmers, you'd pay $1,668 annually. That's a $420 savings. Remember, full coverage isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Consider your car's value, your driving record, and your budget before making a decision. But this comparison shows the value of shopping around. FreeAdvice.com makes it simple for you. Just visit our website and get quotes from multiple companies in one place using our free quote tool. Find coverage that protects without breaking the bank. All right, folks, that's the scoop on Farmer Signal. So, is it the right fit for you? Again, that depends. If you're a safe driver who wants personalized feedback and a chance to lower your rates, Farmer Signal could be a winner. But if you're not comfortable with data tracking or have a lead foot, you might want to consider other options. No matter what, shopping around is key to finding the best insurance deal. That's where FreeAdvice.com comes in. We make it easy to get quotes and compare rates from multiple insurance companies in one place. Think of it as one-stop shop for all your insurance needs. No more jumping through hoops or getting lost in a maze of websites. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And for more insurance knowledge bombs, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. We've got tons of content coming your way, all made to make you an insurance whiz. If you've already tried Farmer Signal, we'd also love to hear your experience in the comments below. Your insights can help others make informed decisions. Speaking of knowledge bombs, have you ever wondered about the different types of car insurance? Collision, comprehensive, the whole shebang? We have a video packed with everything you need to know, including the scary truth. Uninsured drivers can pay up to 3 times more after an accident. Yeah, ouch. Let us help you avoid that financial nightmare. And hey, one last thing. If you know someone who's shopping for car insurance, share this video with them. The knowledge of a good insurance policy is a gift that keeps on giving, especially if they're considering Farmers or any of the companies we mentioned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at our next video.